Hi guys, welcome to the channel, RC Adventures. This is my first hobby RC vehicle. I've had plenty of the ones that you buy from Walmart that are crap. My wife got this for me for Easter, April 17th, 2022, this year. It's the SCX24 Deadbolt by Horizon Lobby, Axial. They have two different colors for the deadbolt, but they have other different body styles. It does have metal worm gears and differentials, metal frame, shocks, steel front and rear axles, front sub axles. Also has plastic front and rear axles and front and rear drive shafts, and they're splined. So let's go ahead and get it unboxed. Alright, you're going to need some scissors or a knife to open this, and then you're going to need scissors to cut that underneath. I'm going to do that right now. But I already charged up the battery. As you can see, the headlights are on, which are pretty nice. Pretty cool, but it seems really bouncy. I wonder if there's something we can do to fix that. Maybe that's something for a later video, but it also comes with a remote, which already has the batteries in it. You get your deadbolt instruction manual, a connector guide for your servos, lights, and motors, brushless motors. You also get a actual Adventure Anywhere sticker, and you get some hardware. It looks like you get extra drive shaft and hood pins, and also a hex Allen key. So let's check it out. So with the remote, let me turn this off real quick to show you what you have to do. So when you turn this on, you have to press this button right here where it says bind. Hold it, turn it on, the red light will flash. Now what you have to do is turn on the truck. And when you turn on the truck, the red light should go solid here shortly. Now that it's solid, what that does is if you're in a competition or around other RC vehicles, this remote is binded to the truck's receiver. So now that we have the remote connected, I'm going to go over some of the things that are on here with the remote. You have channel 1, which is your steering servo. You put it in N. What happens is when you turn the wheel left, it turns the wheel right. We're here in America, so when we turn the wheel right, we like the wheels to turn right, left. The channel 1 down here with all the numbers, that adjusts the steering servo to be center when you're driving. The DNR right here, when you turn it all the way down, it limits how much those wheels turn. You turn it all the way up, you get quite a bit of turning. Now, again, this truck is very bouncy, and I would like to definitely upgrade the shocks first before I do anything to it. Then you have the switch right here, which is your low, medium, and high speed with the throttle. So this is low speed. And then medium. And then high. See how much torque this thing has. That's about it. Travel before that back wheel comes up off the ground is about 2 inches. I'm gonna try to do some of the free upgrades that they suggest on YouTube and wrap this video up on the unboxing.